Minista Woremi na Ndethia Mithika Linturi uwete kwa NTUKU IKUMI ciite mauri ya mutu Jukenama yukethero yekinya ya nara 40 na gwikinya muthia yo mwaka yune ri mutu yukethero yukioro na shilingi ya nara nende awite mantore ya kwarua na tethura cio tambo ni arani bathirikari bakiwa mutu yune yo GMO yure gwonda mauri ya nthi akiwa boni urongo na ni siasa ikuringwa ni rwangiro wa AZIMIO. Boniface Mongera aina watatu nkuluki
magori ja mutu Jukenama ijeriri kwithira JUGAKINYA nkoroki wa kiumia kingi kimwe na nusu kweja kwitira mĩario ya minister meja nthiru nekire bwana Mithika Linturi.
In another 10 days we want to get this hunger to 140 by the end of the year, because I thank God that we've had a very good rains and my farmers have really taken advantage of the subsidy program for fertilizer. Most of the farmers have done very well in their farms. My main concern now is how to deal with the post-harvest losses, how to deal with the aflatoxin is what is my concern. But we'll be having very good harvest. I will be able to bridge the difference or the gap between the 52 million bags of maize that we consume here and the last year's production of that too. So I am confident, I'm comfortable, and Kenyans must be assured that we'll have enough food in the next 1 year.
No kiri muthumba jujo miruki minister Linturi acokete akanukio bobwega merire kwithire kiumira kirutero rwa AZIMIO ati thirikari nikite maguri ja mutu no ntumpembere bathugurite kumanthiguru ciaume ni nthuku na cina GMO na timanto ja GMO ake kiri macoke ja NTUKU egoro jogoro ja AZIMIO bari nyire bakwabe mutu no mwanka ithire kinama mwanka shilingi 100 itha kiri misa Mithika Linturi ebera iba mwitithia spindi yewe.
Wacha nikwambie watu wanapiga propaganda waachane na kazi yao na waendelee kupiga mdomo sababu ni watu wa upinzani. Most of them that are saying it. But I want to tell you, when I did an advert on what maize we require in the country, there were specifications of the maize and we have very competent agencies. KEPS ndio wanafanya mambo, KSHS ndio wanaangalia. So any maize and I've seen that is coming into the country is not GMO.
Minister Linturi akwaria nteto jikirikaro ne binene bya Carlo aria gutirimanite na bunge bakumarotero Western kenda kwithira bakiariri na kona ntaire kubakethira betumira ukire sekte sukari na nyume mushemanyo minister Linturi na barikithire kiambere kirageta kwithira ethithia ikuringa marufuku nduka na supermarket iri kwithira shekonja na kwende sukari.
Sukari ni biashara ambayo iko na pesa. Na hizi sukari na hii biashara ni lazima tuhakikishe mkulima anakuza miwa yake na analipwa mapema na anapata pesa yake. Hiyo ndio kitu ya muhimu.
Ripoti kathoma nacio cioko ni urimi boi gobokethira bugukirwa amwa kuthondeka boboro viwanda icithirito cikitwa kumenya kagita kathirikari nthiru aria kinya kagitene gaka kuna musona joreti bungene imo bunge okumurotero na Vaholo Emmanuel Wangwe
ataita mkutano mwingine baada ya siku 14 tukubaliane njia mwafaka ya kuhakikisha kwamba ripoti hiyo imetuzalishia ufufuaji wa viwanda 5 muhimu ambavyo vilikuwa vinakaramiwa na serikali.
Ke reporter Ntoshoru TV kuma kingina ngine kineke mshubisho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.